everyone, I'm Michelle Woerner, concept designer with Fun Stampers Journey, and I want to welcome you to today's product spotlight video where I'm going to show you how to assemble our gift card sleeve die, which looks like this. Pretty simple, and when it's cut out, you're going to notice that there are 4 scored lines, and this is where you're going to want to make your folds. So, and you can go back with your crease tool and make your folds nice, crisp, and straight. So how you're going to notice that these 2 flaps, one is slightly longer than the other, and this is where you're going to want to put your adhesive. So you can just run it, a thin bead around there, get that in there, and then you're going to adhere your bottom tab up. Now it's important to note that you don't want to have your adhesive down here near this fold, because you're going to slip a gift card inside this sleeve and you don't want to accidentally close it up. So I like to just put adhesive at the corners and around the top. Now because I've used some wet glue, I'm just going to go ahead and clamp these. It doesn't quite reach, but that should be good to go. Okay, so here you have your gift card sleeve. So, because more is better, we have a coordinating die set called gift card window plates, which is a set of 4 coordinating fun little sayings and accents that you can add to your gift card. So you can die cut these out, and it's its own piece, and then you could just adhere it to the top of your gift card, or you can actually line it up so that you die cut it into your gift card before you adhere it closed. So that would be, you would line it up like this, run it through your machine, and then you've got this. You add your little white cardstock behind, and now you've got a different look. So let me show you a couple examples. Here is a very simple, lovely, easy gift card sleeve, and all she did was some little stamping as an accent. And here's something, taking it up a notch, and what I did is I used the one of these die templates, and then I backed it with white, as you can see here, and then I die cut it again in different colors, and then I put the negative pieces and adhered them inside. So I hope you found this video helpful and I've inspired you to use your gift card sleeve dies. Thanks for watching, and now it's your turn to bring paper to life.